In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play unsupported video files in VLC Media Player, even when VLC gives you errors or refuses to play the file at all. This is a super common problem with newer codecs, corrupted files, or videos recorded on phones, cameras, or screen recorders. The good news is that VLC already has built-in settings that can fix this in most cases, and you don't need to install anything extra. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. This works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and the steps are almost identical on all platforms. Once VLC is open, click on Media at the top left, then choose Open File. Navigate to the video file that's giving you trouble and try to play it. If the video doesn't play, freezes, shows a black screen, or throws an unsupported format error, don't worry. This is exactly what we're going to fix. Next, go to the top menu and click Tools, then select Preferences. By default, VLC shows you the simple settings, which don't give us enough control. So at the bottom left of the Preferences window, look for Show Settings and switch it from Simple to All. This unlocks all advanced options inside VLC. Now, in the left-hand menu, scroll down and expand Input Codecs. Under that section, click on Video Codecs. This is where VLC controls how it decodes video files, and changing one key setting here solves most unsupported playback issues. On the right side, find the option called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. By default, this is usually set to automatic. Click the drop-down and change it to Disable. This forces VLC to use software decoding instead of your GPU, which is often the reason unsupported videos fail to play. After that, scroll a bit more and go back to the main Input Codec section in the left menu. Look for the setting called Skip H.264 in-loop deblocking filter. Change this option to All. This step is optional, but it can significantly improve playback stability and reduce glitches, especially for damaged or partially corrupted files. Once you've made these changes, click Save at the bottom of the Preferences window. Now close VLC completely, then reopen it to make sure the new settings are applied properly. After VLC restarts, go back to Media, click Open File, and try playing the unsupported video again. In most cases, the video should now play without errors, freezes, or black screens. If this worked for you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and practical software tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.